Hello friends, you are welcome in KM Video Only Education channel. Today we are going to learn English question set which is useful for English conversation. Fill in the blank with your own information. मोकळ्या जागी स्वतःची माहिती भरा. 1. Which class do you study in? Answer: I study in dash class. Question 2. Who is your class teacher? Answer: my class teacher is dash. Question 3. Which subject does your class teacher teach you? Answer: my class teacher teaches me dash. Question 4. Who teaches you English? Answer: Mr. oblique Mrs. dash teaches me English. Question 5. Which is your favorite subject? Answer: my favorite subject is dash. If you like video, please share, comments and subscribe KM Video channel. Also, to obtain notification of next new videos, press bell icon. Thank you.